Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm today next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart. Yes, not the 15-minute chart, but the hourly chart of gold in front of us. We are using the hourly chart, okay, just to understand our levels better because things have not changed much on gold. You can see the gold is still choppy. Okay, things are not very good, not very clear rather. Okay. And the market or the chart still looks messy. Yes, there was a drop on the chart of gold, okay, yesterday, and many people also believe that, okay, finally gold is continuing the downside. But as we have already discussed earlier also, that gold needs to break 3886, this yellow line, okay, then only we can consider that gold is finally bearish. Means gold is continuing the downtrend. As long as gold is trading above 3886 or this particular low, you cannot say that gold is bearish, because if you look at the daily chart, we can clearly see that this is the level where market is trying to take support. Okay, if market breaks this level, then you can expect the correction to continue. So let's wait and watch. On a daily chart, technically, yes, we can see the market has formed lower highs here. So there is an indication, or there is a possibility that market may go below 3886 because of the lower highs. But we should not forget that this is the NFP week. NFP, non-farm payroll, and NFP is an event that can change the direction of the market. So till NFP, there is a possibility that market may not go for new highs and lows, and market may remain like this. So trading opportunities will be limited. So if market drops further, okay, and if the selling price is not very high, okay, gold is full of surprises. Okay, anything may happen. But if market remains like this, then as a day trader, you can expect the market to take support around 3887 to 9 to the around the yellow line. We have a support zone. So if market takes support, as a day trader, we can look for a buy position at least for 100 pips. Then you can see I have drawn a purple line here. Okay, the reason behind the purple line is the round number. So around 3900 also you can expect a support. Now it depends on the scenario. If market starts dropping, observe the market, okay, around these levels. If you see the market is trying to take support on 3900, you can go for a buy position. If you see the market has crossed 3900 or market is standing at 390 big red candle, then obviously you need to avoid the purple line and wait for the market to respond around 3887.92. As of now, these are the two support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position as a day trader. We also had, okay, I won't say have, okay, we also had a support around 3916. Yesterday also we discussed, I guess, okay. We also had a support around this area, but as the market has already taken support around 29 zone here, so chances are very low that the support of 20 to 16 may work again this particular. Otherwise it was a good support, but as market has already taken support, so chances are low that this support is going to work. In case it does, if you see the market is trying to take support, market is showing price rejection from below, you can buy there as well. But as I said, okay, chances are very low. So if you ask me, Abhilash, okay, where are you going to trade today? Okay, I will be looking for buy around 3900 and 82 87.92. But there is a possibility that, okay, if 3900 works, okay, then the yellow line may not work. And if the purple line doesn't work, then the yellow line may work. So out of these two, only one may work. It is also a possibility. And okay, as we can clearly see, market is messy. Okay, things are not very good with gold. Okay. And where can we go for a sell if market goes up? To be honest, I don't have any answer, because yeah, we all have a limitation in our knowledge. Okay, and nobody can predict the market, isn't it? So here, okay, my limited knowledge says, okay, if market goes up, then it's better to observe the market. I personally feel that if market breaks 3975, gold will be choppy again. Right now, though market is messy, but still, okay, still we can see that there is a little bit bearishness on the chart of gold. Okay, sellers are, okay, having, I won't say upper hand, okay, but they are a little bit dominating. But if market breaks 3975, it will be choppy again. So if market breaks 3975, then I think that, okay, it will be better for us to observe around 4000 level. Maybe scalpers can score some 50 to 60 pips or maybe 80 to 100 pips, but overall, this chart is not a good chart to trade for day traders, because we have seen for the last few days that nothing is working perfectly. Indicators, patterns, then price action, dynamics, that nothing is working. Okay, so be careful. This is the level. See, if market breaks 3975, then it will be, I think it will be messy again around 4000. Okay, maybe, okay, day traders will find some selling opportunity, but personally, okay, I will be looking for opportunities outside gold, because see, I personally feel that in trading you should be loyal towards making money, not towards any particular asset or pair. Sometimes we are too obsessed with a particular asset or pair, that if there are no opportunities also, still we trade forcefully, and the forceful trade becomes a problem, big problem. When you are experienced trader, okay, when you have been observing a particular chart for many years, that's a different story. But if you're a beginner, then I think, okay, it's better to keep your options open. Anyways, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. If anything crazy happens, okay, you'll find an update in the free Telegram community. Okay. And chances are low that, okay, market will be showing some big moves, because chances are high that after NFP we will see some new highs and lows of the market. Before NFP, we can expect the market to remain like this. And as I said, okay, as long as market is trading above this yellow line 388687, okay, we cannot consider the market to be fully bearish, because we need a structural change here. No confirmation here. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.